Ho sa le jwalo, ditho tsa komiti ya palamente ya sepolesa di sa ntse di makaditswe ke dipalopalo tsena tsa kotare ya pele e leng tsa kgwedi ya Pherekgong le Tlhakubele monongwaha.
Of 9.3% in the reported crime statistics is a serious concern. This committee has to take note of it, and I think that our response to this has to be firm, and I think we need further oversight on this matter.
Our country has become a crime scene where kidnapping has increased by over 100% year to year. This is an absolutely shocking crime statistic. Murder up over 20%, sexual offences up. It's a bloodbath, Chairperson.
Especially when we look at crimes against women and children. We are crying every day, but it seems as if we are failing. The criminals are winning.
What is most disturbing for me, Chairperson, is when we come to women and children, where, for instance, the murder of children with an increase of 37.2% and on women 17.5%. Now, if we look at the figure of children, I say it's most disturbing.
It would be an understatement to say we are disappointed. These crime statistics indeed are a clear indication that the police are losing the fight against crime.